If your business looks fine on the outside, but you are quietly falling apart on the inside, you're not being dramatic. You're not weak. You're not bad at mindset. You're just living inside a system that rewards women for overfunctioning until they break. Welcome to this mini-series, the No BS Business Reset. This is for the woman who's built something real, but she's exhausted, resentful, and secretly wondering, is this what success is supposed to fucking feel like? And if you've been stuck in that weird space where you're doing all the right things, posting consistently, refining your offer, tweaking your funnel, and yet you feel worse, not better, yeah, that's not just a you problem. Today, we're naming what burnout is really costing you. Not just productivity and not just energy. Your identity, your nervous system, your ability to trust yourself. Let's get brutally honest. Burnout isn't, I need a weekend off. Burnout is when your body starts collecting receipts for every time that you ignored it. It can look like not being able to focus when you need to. You dread those tasks that you used to love. You're snapping at the people you care most about. You feel guilty for resting, and guilty for working, and guilty for being guilty. And for so many women entrepreneurs, it's not coming from laziness. It's coming from performance. Not business performance, identity performance. That constant pressure to be inspiring, consistent, and high vibe, magnetic, to be the CEO, even when you're running on fumes. Here's the trap. The online business world sold you a story that sounds empowering. If you want it badly enough, you can have it all. If you're not getting the results, you're not aligned. If you're tired, you just haven't mastered your mindset. It's cute, right? It's also fucking rubbish because it ignores reality, chronic stress, caregiving responsibilities, disability and health issues, trauma patterns, financial pressure, inequality, the emotional labor. Instead, it hands you a glittery script. You're one launch away, one strategy away. You're just one mindset shift away. And when you don't get the promised outcome, you assume the problem is you. So you push harder, you perform harder, you burn faster. Your body doesn't speak in metrics. It speaks in signals. If you live in constant urgency, post more, sell more, scale more, your nervous system learns that rest equals danger. Slowness is falling behind. And enough, well, that's just failure. You might still hit those goals, but you won't feel them because your body is too busy trying to survive. Take a breath, hand on chest if you can, and answer this honestly. What is your business currently costing you? Not in money, in life. Sleep, patience, creativity, health. How's your relationship? Your sense of self? Write it down. Don't argue with it. Just witness it. If this episode punched you in the throat a bit, good. Not because I want you hurting, because naming it is where the power comes back. In episode 2, we're mapping your real season, so you stop building your business from a fantasy version of yourself. If you want more of this work, I'm building the full No BS business reset for women who are done performing and ready to rebuild sustainably. No hype, just relief and real structure.